ranking the best locks of the world.
Shoot, Sage, did you lock the door?
I think so. Hang on. No, I forgot. I'm so sorry. Okay, perfect.
I'll never get us.
I guess I gotta wait for the teacher to show up and unlock it. Oh well, I'm not waiting out here, so.
大门也改上了，锁钥也改上了。我这边感觉不对呀。
Let's show the people how it works.
Well, you know, you had to do what I had to do. What I had to do. So
I don't know the precise again. No.
Lines up. No, it doesn't. That definitely doesn't line up.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just doing some home improvements around the house. We just installed our first door. Let's see how it looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.